I'm Heather. Welcome to TRA Snow and Sun. We are solving problems related to rooftop avalanches through our snow retention systems. Today we are going to talk about how to install our products. So let's get right to it.
Hello, Ben Anderson here with TRA Snow and Sun. Today we're going to be installing an H Classic bracket on asphalt shingles. Tools you'll be needing: a drill with a Phillips bit, a chalk line, and a tape measure. Let's get started. Grab your bracket, find your location, align the front or the nose of the bracket with the butt end of the shingle. Install with 2 screws. And install your cover clip. That concludes the install of an H Classic bracket on asphalt shingles. If you have any questions, please consult TRA's engineered layout. Thank you.
You just learned how to install one of our many snow retention systems. We offer engineered snow retention layouts and quotes. For questions regarding your project, contact us at 800-606-8980 or at sales@trasnowandsun.com, and we'll take care of the rest. Thanks for joining us.